What's up everyone? Got our first maiden adventure out in the ocean. Wifey's up the front there, out of St. Bees, Keswick. Weather's not perfect, but she punches through alright. Let's get in, let's get amongst it. Our beautiful little country we got here.
Been out on the water, nutted out a few bugs, got a lot to cram into this one, so I'll try and be quick here. But yeah, a couple of trips, rough weather, good weather. We've gone 220 k's round trip out, so we know we've got some decent range and awesome speed. It's good to be out on the water. Even caught a few fish.
Looks like a brim. That's the same noise that the being made.
Back in another one, engine's coming out. Let's see if we can find where this bad boy leaks.
So here we are, getting through everything, trying to pull the engine out. Reason we're doing this, obviously we did have a fair amount of water ingress. I wouldn't call it a bad leak, but you know, it's a leak in a boat, it's not good. So what we thought, we had water either the lower manifold where the trim cylinders come through or the exhaust Y pipe. Obviously neither of those are really easy to get to, and just, you know, to do it properly and just fully isolate that anyway. Better be safe than sorry. So we pulled everything back out, you know, back the engine, the boat in the shed here, pulled it out, thought, you know, yeah, we'd found the smoking gun. Cleaned everything up, you know, gave that a skim, got everything nice and fresh. It was obviously all fresh in there beforehand, but obviously we didn't clean one of the surfaces off as good as we thought we did. So there was a little bit of crap still there that we thought was maybe holding it open, letting a bit of water in. It was wrong. So we did all this, got it in, engine came out, you know, cleaned everything up, got a few other things done while we were in there. Put it all back in, took it out to the dam. It still leaked like a sieve, and we had our head scratching. So yeah, just using the forklift, pulling the engine out. Glad we did that. It did give us a good chance to obviously get in, tidy up a little bit of the hose routing we did underneath for the water pickup and that. We also have a quick flush system in there with 2 ball valves and that. It works extremely well. I'll go through that a little bit later and just show you how I have that set up, because I do recommend that it's so much easier. Obviously you can't do that if you run like the traditional setup where the water pickup goes through the leg. We don't have the impeller in the Bravo drive, so we do have that luxury. So it just makes it easier. We have a hose fitting we can just jam straight on, so that's a lot easier than having to stuff around. We don't have to worry about muffs or losing them or anything like that. Really good chance obviously to clean up some spills we'd put into the bilge area and get everything all cleaned up. So there's good to the bad, but a lot of work to have an issue that would have been a lot easier to fix on the Sunday as well, after spending 2 days fixing it, if we knew right here what it was, but we didn't, so which is unfortunate. But here we go. Day 3, pulled the motor out, put it back in, still leaks, but we think we found it. I'm gonna dig in, get these couple of bolts out, reseal them, smack them back in, go back out to the dam, give it a test, and hopefully it's as simple as that. Really wish we'd found them before when we had the engine out, but that's how it is. Hopefully we can get them with the engine in, and we'll see how we go. Big ol'.
Well, fuck me in the ass and call me square ass, eh? Fucking bastard. There it is. That's your problem. What's going on here tonight?
as you can see, absolutely gorgeous weather, not so gorgeous on the boat. Getting drawn back. Got to say huge shout out to VMR for everything they do. Couldn't thank them enough. Learnt a lot, and I'll leave some details in the comments in the description of this video, because very vital service, but some things I found while I was out there that I wish I knew earlier. Some things I found out when I got back that I wish I knew as well. Just on how the whole service works and how to call up after hours, because we sat there for 3 hours not realizing you could call through Hay Point and get service. So I'll leave a bit of a description down below about that. Obviously there's a couple of trips here. Stay tuned for the next video, because we got a hell of a lot of footage of fishing and adventures, and also a bit more work that we've done on the boat. So yeah, thanks for watching.